good morning dear student. Hope you all are fine. Welcome in your OPE class. Dear student, open page number 40. Dear student, our today's topic is Unit 7, Lesson 4, Sentences. Complete the sentences using the words in the box. My, your, their, his and her. We have to use these words in this box like this. Example, he is brushing his teeth. She is combing her hair. Is this your bag? She is asking to him, is this your bag? Yes, it is my bag, thanks. He is wearing his cap. They are reading their books. B exercises. Answer these questions using yes, I can or no, I can't. Can show ability. If you can do anything, then you will say, yes, I can. If you can't, then you will say, no, I can't. Here are some questions. Number 1, can you fly? No, I can't. Can you eat? Yes, I can. Can you swim? Yes, I can. Can you read? Yes, I can. Can you jump over a bug? Yes, I can. Can you jump over hills? No, I can't. Students, see exercise is that ask the same question about your friend. How you will ask? Question with can. Can Ahmed fly? No, he can't. So dear student, you have to do practice and you have to make your own question, okay? And how you will make? You will put first can and then person name and then its verb, okay? D exercise. Use the word box to ask and answer question about animals, okay? Example, can bird read? No, they can't. Can bird swim? Can bird swim? And if they can, then you will say. If they can't, then you will say no, they can't. Can cat fly? No, they can't. Okay. Can fish jump? Yes, they can. Can turtle read? No, they can't. Okay, dear student. Dear student, your today's homework is complete this exercise on your book and do practice and make 2 sentences which you can, and also 2 sentences which you can't do, okay? Like this, can you fly? You give its answer, okay? But make your question, okay? Hope you understand. Allah Hafiz.